Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to get the RPM A-arms for the Gen 1 Kraton to fit on to the Gen 2 Kraton. This should also work perfectly fine for the Outcast. The Gen 1 Kraton's RPM A-arms will absolutely not fit on the Gen 2 Kraton. It's actually just because of a slight difference in the shock tower from Gen 1 and Gen 2. If you go to the ARMA website and click any of the 8S Kratons, Gen 1 or Gen 2, and go to their lower A-arms, front or rear, you'll see in their compatibility lists, it lists both Gen 1 and Gen 2 Kratons. That's because the ARMA A-arms are perfectly fine with the new shock tower, but the RPM A-arms are not compatible with the new shock tower. So let's go ahead and get started. The only thing you're going to need is a dremel or something similar to that. I have seen them pretty cheap at Walmart. You're also going to need a sanding bit. Most of them will come with that bit. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be sanding that part right there. You're just going to be sanding it down from the top. I would probably use a smaller bit than the one I'm using and sand down each side individually, but this will work just fine. Once you get that all sanded, you're going to want it to look about like that. Definitely take a brush and get all those little plastic bits out. Now it's time to install on the vehicle. This does not make it any easier to get the shock into that little portion. It's still an uphill battle. Once you do get that in though, you can go ahead and put in your screw. This will help you get it perfectly lined up. I will say right now that I am not going to be going into detail on the full installation on these arms. I have done that on my 8S Outcast, and I will link that video. Once you get it in though, it's going to have the same amount of play and function exactly the same as it should. Thanks for watching, and leave any questions or concerns in the comments!